Hi, I'm Arne Carlson. I'm a senior mechanical designer at Simplexity Product Development. I'm also an experienced machinist, and I'm going to show you around the shop. So here we have a Gearhead Lathe. We use it to make modifications to parts, quick turn parts. That's mostly what we do here is either something needs to be modified or we need something in an emergency. We have your standard tools, a deburring grinder, a belt sander, a manual mill, an old Bridgeport. It's a older machine, but it's a really good one. We love it here. This one we'll use for more of our simple things. And over here we have a ProtoTrack bed mill that can be programmed from the controller, or as I typically do it more often, I use a CAM program to generate it from 3D. This is a cabinet of shop supplies, mills, drills, reamers, taps, counterbores, and the like. Bandsaw, drill press, some material, round stock, some aluminum extrusion that we use a lot of. And then we have our sheet metal, our little mini sheet metal area here. We have a corner notcher, and over there we have a sheet metal brake of our own design that works in our hydraulic press. Okay, and that was a quick tour of Simplexity's machine shop. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please reach out.